we sift through the bones of an idol. We dig for the bones of an idol when the will is gone. Something keeps turning us on. Searching for since you were young, when you still had the bones of an idol. If you still had the bones of an idol, you'd be long, long gone. can't get close enough to the rhythm of solitude.